Hey cruising crew, and welcome to the channel. I'm Alexis, and in today's video, it's time for the ultimate showdown: cruises or Vegas. If you're torn between hitting the high seas or rolling dice in the Sin City, stick with me because I'm about to break it down with some serious bounce. Spoiler alert, cruising's got the edge. And let me tell you why. So without further ado, let's dive into it. All right, let's talk about vibe. Vegas is all about that neon glow, right? You've got casinos, clubs, and nonstop party energy. But here's the thing: it's intense, and sometimes you're dodging crowds or stuck in a smoky casino at 2 a.m., eating a $20 hot dog, feeling like, where's the chill? It's kind of nonstop all the time. Now, a cruise is a floating party that never sleeps. You've got pool decks blasting music, themed dance nights, and karaoke showdowns. Plus, you're waking up to a new destination without unpacking a single bag. That's a vibe I'm living for. So, point number one goes to cruising. Let's talk cash. So, Vegas can eat up your wallet pretty fast. We're talking hotels, shows, buffets, and those sneaky casino games. Chaotic for your bank account. 1 minute you're up, the next you're broke, and you're eating that $20 hot dog. Cruises, it's more all inclusive vibes. So, with your fare, it covers your room, meals, entertainment, transport to epic ports like the Caribbean or Alaska, gourmet dining, Broadway style shows, and water slides, all in the price. So, you're really balling all in budget. Once again, cruising gets the point. Vegas has its charm, no doubt. I love myself a good Vegas trip. You have the strip, you have Grand Canyon for a day trip, you have downtown shopping, but at the end of the day, it's all one city, one desert. Cruising, you're island hopping or you're fjord cruising. One day you're snorkeling in Cozumel, the next you're glacier spotting in Alaska or exploring ancient ruins in Greece. It's a new adventure every morning without the hassle of planning. Plus, the ship's got rock climbing, zip lines, surf stimulators. Vegas who? Cruising's definitely the champ. Okay, let's chill for a sec. Vegas is very high energy 24/7, which is great for some, and that's what makes it Vegas, and that's what makes it what it is. But for some that's wanting to relax, you're hunting for a quiet corner in a very loud city. Cruises, I think that they've mastered the art of Zen. Picture this: a spa day at sea, or ocean breezes on your private balcony with a good book, or just vibing at the pool with a mocktail in hand. You can go hard or you can go soft, and it's all in one ship. Cruising's got the relaxation game on lock. Here's the real tea: Vegas memories, they may be really fun, but they may all be just blurred into one wild night. Cruising memories, they just hit different. You're sharing stories about the time you danced under the stars in the middle of the ocean or explored a new country with your crew. It's not just a trip, it's a journey that sticks with you. Cruising takes the crown for unforgettable memories. So there you have it, cruising crew. Cruising is the way to party, save, chill, relax, all in one epic package. Vegas is cool, but I think cruising is where it's at in 2025. Drop a comment below. Are you team cruises or are you team Vegas? If you're ready to set sail, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you're always updated with all things cruising and travel. Don't forget to always seize the day, and I'll catch you in the next one.